Craft time with Judy, doodly doot, doodly doot. Craft time with Judy, doodly doot, doodly doot. Hello, warm welcome to this video. Last video we were decoupaging vases, and I wanted to share with you a mishap. In the vase I was decoupaging, you'll notice that there are a lot of wrinkles, and some were piled on, glued on top of each other, and it just didn't look quite right, and I wasn't pleased with it at all. So my motto is, if you have a craft that's gone wrong, your solution is glitter. And here is some blue glitter. But this is contained in glue. So let me share with you how I make a craft project that's gone wrong into something absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is take the blue glitter and paint it on my craft gone wrong. Put out the amount that you want and just paint it on. Make sure you get all into the nooks and crannies. And it's best to put on a small layer at a time so that it can thoroughly dry. And sometimes the glue bottle might need a double-handed approach to get the glue out. And you notice as you put it on how it accents the different mistakes that you made in your original craft. There, I've got my layer on. And keeping with the theme, a little bit of glitter, we're going to put a little bit more on. Now, this is wet, so I'm going to put on a little bit of glitter. And what a difference that makes, to go from a craft gone wrong to something you would feel proud to share and give as a gift. And what I'm going to do when I get home is put on a few more layers of the blue glitter glue. So that's just a sample for you. So let me share with you another craft that went wrong. On this particular vase, I put on my first layer of white paint, very heavy, and I just did not like the way it looked. And it wasn't the appropriate texture to decoupage the small, thin items from the napkin. So what I did was, I took my Mod Podge, mixed it with some glitter, and placed it around the edge and let it dribble. So there's another craft gone wrong. I wonder who's going to get this one for Christmas. So let me put this away. And be sure to clean your brush in a promptly manner. You don't want your glue to get dried on that. All right, And today is what to do with a birdhouse and some extra artificial flowers. This is my sample. As I was going through it, I seemed to like the small flowers better than the large ones. But when you go through it and you do yours, you'll decide what you'd like to do. So the first thing I did with my birdhouse, this is how it looks. I put on a layer of white paint and let it dry. And to get the layer that you want, you may have to put on 2 or 3. So now the first thing I'm going to start on is the roof. Take my tacky glue and my leaves, then I start the process. I think I have some smaller ones, so I'm going to start with the smaller ones at the bottom. There we go. And just let it hang over the edge, or whatever your heart desires. Make them lap over just a little bit, just to make it look authentic. They all don't have to be the same either. So I'll just do the first row. We'll do that together. See if I can find some smaller ones. There we go. Here's a small one. There you go. So you get the idea. It's just a matter of layering them up till this side of the roof is finished. So let's move on to the flowers. And the same format. Whether you want a big one or a small one, that's all up to you. And you'll notice that some of them, they have a hole in the middle where it was put together with the different plastic construction. And sometimes it just doesn't look quite right. A little bit of glitter, a little bit of a gem, and you've got that taken care of. And let's see how the small ones look on this side. Put the small one on this side. That way, the birds won't have a hard time getting in. So there you go. I hope that you enjoy your project. And keep in mind to have fun, enjoy your project time, and if you have made a birdhouse and decorated it, I would love to see what your design looks like. So thank you for being with me to the end. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.